Chinese and European companies have been sharing more developing opportunities. Many Chinese companies have partaken in trade delegations organized by Chinese provinces and cities heading to Europe and engaged in constructive interactions with all parties while sharing new development chances. An example of this is the partnership between the European aircraft manufacturer Airbus and the Chinese city of Chengdu, which led to the establishment of Airbus' first aircraft lifecycle service facility outside of Europe. With this aircraft lifecycle center, Airbus' footprint in China is expanded to cover the entire industrial chain and strengthen the local aviation industry in aftermarket services, according to the manufacturer's press release.
I think everyone here in this industry has to be very excited to see the market recover. We keep an optimistic view about China economic growth in the next 20 years. We strongly believe China will continue to play a role as a powerhouse to boost and stabilize global economy. And aviation is part of it.
Meanwhile, several international firms are leveraging the favorable Chinese market conditions and fostering development within China, which contributes to global progress and stabilizing global supply chain.
Der Volkswagen-Konzern verfolgt eine ambitionierte Elektrifizierungsstrategie. Wir sehen das einmal aus dem Aspekt der Nachhaltigkeit für besonders wichtig, aber auch vom Leistungsprofil, was elektrische Antriebe bieten. In der Transformationszeit ist es wichtig, dass man flexibel aufgestellt ist zwischen Verbrennungsmotoren, Hybridantrieben und Elektroantrieben. Und das trifft auch genau die Entwicklung im chinesischen Markt. Wir sind begeistert davon, wie sich elektrische Antriebe im chinesischen Markt durchgesetzt haben. Und in diesem Aspekt setzen wir auf unsere Erfahrung im Volkswagen-Konzern, mit hoher Technologie und hoher Qualität Automobile zu produzieren. Wir sind sehr erfolgreich in die Elektromobilität gestartet und sind aktuell dabei, das auch auf den chinesischen Markt zu übertragen.
China continues to be a very strategic market for Merck. It's our second most important market and one of the fastest growing. So we have a strong footprint in China that has developed very rapidly in recent years. We have 7 sites, almost 5,000 employees, and the contribution of China to our global operations is critical on several fronts. One, our regionalized supply chain. Second, innovation.